Welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's start by addressing a common struggle for anyone with dry or color-treated hair. Finding a shampoo that actually brings back the moisture and shine without stripping away the color. Well, today we're looking at Pureology Nanoworks Gold Shampoo. If you've ever felt like your dry hair is crying out for some TLC, this might just be your answer. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Pureology is known for its salon-quality products, and the Nanoworks Gold Shampoo promises a luxurious experience for those of us battling dryness and the toll of color treatments. This is a sulfate-free vegan shampoo that's designed to hydrate, nourish, and restore that coveted softness and shine. For anyone with color-treated hair, this is a key claim because the last thing you want is a shampoo that fades your color or leaves your hair feeling brittle. So does it deliver on these promises? Let's dive in. This shampoo is formulated to tackle dryness head-on with ingredients that aim to lock in moisture and replenish hair strands. The main ingredients focus on gentle cleansers and nourishing oils. One standout feature is the inclusion of Ylang Ylang oil, which is known for its soothing properties. This is paired with a refreshing scent profile of Dewy Pear, Ylang Ylang, and Golden Amber. It's a subtle, pleasant fragrance that lingers without being overpowering, which is a plus for anyone sensitive to scents. In terms of performance, I've been testing this out for a few weeks now. The first thing I noticed was the smooth texture of the shampoo. It's rich but not overly thick, and it lathers nicely without feeling too heavy. It rinses out easily, and my hair definitely feels cleaner and refreshed without that squeaky, stripped feeling that some shampoos leave behind. It's a good sign when your hair still feels soft and moisturized post-wash, and this shampoo delivered just that. As for color-treated hair, I used this while maintaining my highlights, and I can confidently say that I didn't notice any fading. In fact, my hair looks shinier and feels more manageable than before. I also found that this shampoo didn't weigh my hair down, which can sometimes happen with richer formulas. My hair felt light, soft, and silky with just the right amount of bounce. However, no product is perfect. While the shampoo hydrates well, I did notice it doesn't completely eliminate frizz on very humid days. If you have super frizzy hair, you might still want to pair it with a good conditioner or leave-in treatment. Another thing to note is the price. It's definitely on the higher end, so if you're looking for something budget-friendly, this may not be your first choice. When considering value for money, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you're after a luxury product that's sulfate-free, vegan, and specifically designed for color-treated hair, this could be a great investment. It works well for people who want to maintain their color and have dry hair without compromising on hair health. However, if you're just looking for a basic shampoo to manage dryness, there are more affordable options that might suit your needs just as well. Comparing it to other shampoos on the market, the Pureology Nanoworks Gold Shampoo stands out because it's specifically targeted at dry, color-treated hair. While other brands may have similar ingredients, Pureology's expertise in color care is a key differentiator. It's made for those of us who need that extra bit of hydration and want to protect our color investment. If you're already a fan of Pureology's other products, this one is definitely worth trying. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The pump dispenser is easy to use and dispenses just the right amount of product. No waste, which is always a win in my book. The product lasts quite a while, so you get good value for the quantity. Since it's sulfate-free, you don't need to use a ton of it to see results, so it stretches out your investment a bit longer. I haven't had any direct experience with Pureology's customer support, but the brand is known for its strong customer service and commitment to high-quality products. Many users report positive experiences with the brand's responsiveness, so you can likely expect good service if anything ever goes wrong. As for product alternatives, if you find the Pureology Nanoworks Gold Shampoo too pricey, there are some budget-friendly options like OGX's Hydrate and Repair Argan Oil Shampoo, which is sulfate-free and also great for dry hair. While it doesn't have the same high-end formulation as Pureology, it's a solid option for those on a tighter budget. So what's the final verdict? Pureology Nanoworks Gold Shampoo is a high-performance shampoo for dry, color-treated hair that delivers on its promises of hydration, shine, and color protection. It's perfect for anyone who's serious about maintaining their hair's health and vibrancy, even after multiple color treatments. However, it's not the best choice for those looking for a more budget-friendly option or for people with extremely frizzy hair who need extra control. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell so other beauty lovers can find our honest reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best content. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. And if you've tried this product or have any tips for managing dry, color-treated hair, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.